In a previous video, I showed how a collection gets added to the Wax blockchain using the Atomic Hub tools. We created a collection called testcall1255, and that's what we're going to be using today to create a new PubHub to hold digital collectibles of books. So I'm now on the ChainLetter test site, and I'm logged in with an administrator account. Anything that's outlined in red wouldn't be visible to non-administrator users. So today we're going to be using some features that are available at the platform level, but I think it will be helpful for anyone that's going to be running a PubHub to see how these things are created. So to start, we would go to our PubHub directory, which lists all the PubHubs available in ChainLetter, and I'll click on Add Publisher. And that abbreviation and storage name are probably going to be pretty similar. So there's a little bit of an unusual step where you have to create the publication hub first before you can put in a storage name. I plan on fixing that in the future, but right now that's just how it is. So to create a PubHub, you'll select the theme that you want to use. We'll use NiftyLit's theme for this one. It's purple. Our imprint name will be Test Book Collection. Our byline will just be Books But for Testing. We've put in our abbreviation. We're going to just kind of put placeholder data in these. But the person who actually is the PubHub administrator will be able to edit this later and put in their own guidelines. We can browse for the same images that we used. So we're going to use our Don Quixote logo and background image. So I've selected my logo. I'm going to also upload the background image. You can put in any tags that describe what your PubHub is going to hold, and you can even add new ones if they don't exist in the list. You can put in a social link, chainletter.io. Contact link will be the same. Normally this would be maybe your Discord or a forum or a Telegram group invite. Message of the day, we'll say hello. We will click on Update PubHub, and our PubHub has been successfully created. If we go and view our new PubHub, you'll see that our test book collection hasn't been approved yet. It says it's pending approval. If I approve it, it's now available, but we have to put in the collection from Wax. This is that one little weird step. So if I hit Manage Hub, I can go back in and I'm going to copy the name of our collection name and I'm going to fill it in this admin only section. Then I'm going to update again. So those are the steps to create a new publication hub. It has a theme that can be selected and switched. It's the same as NiftyLit, so it didn't change, but you'll see it if I select a different one. We'll switch back to this PubHub's theme. It has the ability for members to request to join. It has a page where you can view the books that are published in it, and users can click follow, which will make it appear in their list of followed PubHubs. So it's fully functional at this point. We would be able to turn it over to the PubHub administrator, and they can go in and edit it and add their own more meaningful guidelines, their own meaningful message, and when people request membership, they show up in the roster. So that's how creating one of these things works on the back end. Like I said, I think this is an administrative task, but hopefully it helps to understand the platform.